Today at Spectrum Auto Studio, we had this vintage 560 SEL Mercedes-Benz come in. It was in great shape with low miles, but the paint needed some work. We focused on swirl removal and getting this car looking like it did when it rolled off the lot back in the 80s and early 90s. The owner of this vehicle actually had a background in detailing and had an extensive car collection of low-mile vintage vehicles that were all in great shape, but you can see by these before shots how many swirl marks were all over the vehicle. We did a two-step paint correction like always with the microfiber pad and then followed up with the black pad with polish to pure out the paint and turn back the clock on this beautiful classic vehicle. These old school vehicles are always such a pleasure to work on because how different they are than modern day ones. You can see the 50/50 here and how great the paint turned out. Once again, right here, those swirls back to perfection. Under the lights, you can tell that this paint was preserved amazingly, and my process brought a whole new life to this vehicle. Once the paint was corrected, we put a ceramic coating on the entire exterior of the vehicle, did an interior detail, and then we had a leather specialist fix the worn bolster, as you can see here, before and after. If you want your vehicle to look brand new again and stay protected in the Denver area, then reach out to me and you won't be disappointed.